A true 7-seater, all-electric SUV that further raises our standards in safety and a more sustainable lifestyle. The new Volvo EX90 represents the start of a new era for our company in which we set a decisive course for a fully electric future. Starting with the Volvo EX90, we'll reveal one new fully electric car each year. By 2030, we aim to sell only fully electric cars, one of the most ambitious electrification blueprints in the automotive industry and crucial to our ambition to be a climate-neutral company by 2040. We revealed our new fully electric flagship SUV to the world in downtown Stockholm today, reflecting our Swedish roots. At the same time, reflecting our global footprint as a company, the Volvo EX90 will be built in the USA starting next year and later also in China. By then, we aim for those two production facilities to be climate neutral. A new instant classic in Scandinavian design, the Volvo EX90 defines the principle of form following function. It's a versatile, stylish family car with modern proportions, combined with cutting-edge technology in core computing, connectivity and electrification to optimize safety, efficiency, and aesthetics.